decided to take a walk in the park. So ito ang napili ko. May mga tao na rin, thank God. Takot ako kanina. I was afraid. So J1 teacher, cultural exchange teacher, we are not only required to teach here and exchange culture, but at the same time we are encouraged by our visa sponsor to visit the places there's to visit, or the places that are to visit. Good morning. Have a nice day. So I'm starting now. It's like in Baguio, guys. Para siya. May tao pa isa-isa. Naglalakad. I don't know. Maybe because of Thanksgiving, they are staying at home. With their family or to other destinations. Ito kasi, I don't know. Even their office is closed. So, in order to avoid wasting money for Uber, I should make the most of it. Okay. Gubat. Forest. So, but it's okay. I'm looking for the lake. Because in the video, there is a lake here. And you can do fishing. But I don't know. It's very large. It's very big. But I'm afraid there are no people. So I think I'll be going back. I'll be heading back. Huh? Mahaba pa punta doon? I don't know. If I can do it. I want to go to McDonald's, I think. I'm going home. Hirap. So next time when I'm in the mood to roam around, I'll be going to Fayetteville Rose Garden. It will be fine. So, and I'll be also going to Treetop Adventure they have here. Hindi naman nasayang. Kasi pag sa bahay ako, tulog uli. So, I better wake up. Go out. Wake up and go out. Marami sila mga sports facilities here. At ngayon, dahil Thanksgiving, walang tao. So, ito ang pinakamalapit na park based sa na-search ko. So, meron din sila children's park. Doon. Meron din daw fishing. You can fish also. But, I don't think I can manage to find it because it's very big. How many acres is this? Siguro. Oh, another bridge. You know, guys, tumatapang ka talaga kapag dito ka mag-isa. Tumatapang. Hindi ko kaya ito gawin sa Pinas. Mag-isa ganito. Pero dito, you're getting stronger, and then become stronger. You're getting courageous, really. Kasi pag hindi ka matapang, guys, hindi ka makalakad. Lalo na na-assign ka sa katulad ko, nag-iisang Pinoy. Pero hopefully by January, may kasama na ako. Lilipat ako sa house kung saan may Pinoy doon. So, lagi na kami nag-usap. It will be my last month in the city. I'm going to McDonald's. Bye guys, for lunch. Kapag dito si Narcis, yan siya iiwan ko. Oh, we have swimming pool also, guys. You can also swim. I don't know if may pool din sila. Complete pala to eh. So since wala akong kasama mga bata, take a look lang. No swimming, no swimming. I'm sorry.